Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use OpenAI Playground. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for OpenAI on Google, and after that you need to just click on this very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up, and after that you need to click on this option of API on the top right corner. Then log into your account, and if you don't have an account, just simply sign up for a new account. After logging into your account, you will be able to see this option of Playground on the top. Just click on it. And this is how you can use OpenAI's Playground. Just use any of the commands in this area. You can also select the presets. Like if you want to go for a grammatical errors, if you want to find them, just select this option. And this way there are many preset templates for using Playground of OpenAI, and you can just make changes as per your requirements over here. And the best thing about this is that you can even write bigger paragraph as compared to ChatGPT, and you can also use this option of speech to text, where you can just simply upload any speech of yours or audio file, and it will transcribe it for free and quite fast, and you will be able to use it. You can also start recording your voice and convert it into a text, and this is how it all works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful